Hello, everyone. Thank you for having me today. My name is Ryan Davies, and I am the Portfolio Manager for the Global Semiconductor Fund. Today, I would like to go through some questions and answers regarding semiconductors and semiconductor investing. The semiconductor industry got its start in the 1940s with innovations in defense electronics. From there, the market expanded into areas such as mainframe computers. By the 1980s, the market continued to grow as the semiconductors were embedded in personal computers and eventually expanded to the mobile phone market. Moving forward, we get excited about opportunities in artificial intelligence, data center applications, and electronic vehicles. There's an old saying that all roads lead to Rome. In the 21st century, semiconductors are Rome. It's hard to think of an innovation over the next 10 to 20 years which won't require more processing power and, as a result, more semiconductors. While the semiconductor industry is likely to see growth over the long term, there could be periods of time where the industry doesn't show growth. After several strong years, 22 and 23 saw a slowdown in consumer spending and a normalization of supply chains. Moving forward, we think the worst is behind us, and we expect to see a return to growth in areas such as AI, data center, and the electronification of everything. Electronification of everything includes areas such as electronic vehicles and alternative energy. Secondly, we also think there's interesting growth opportunities in semiconductor equipment. As circuits get smaller and smaller, this requires more inspection and more test and measurement. One of the more exciting areas within semiconductors is compound semiconductors. Historically, silicon was used as the main material to make wafers, which were made into semiconductor chips. Unfortunately, with the explosion in growth of areas such as electronic vehicles, solutions which are more power efficient are needed. Two materials that are more power efficient include silicon carbide and gallium arsenide. We continue to see the announcement of new semiconductor manufacturing facilities being built globally, including Japan. Companies are doing this to continue to diversify their supply chains. To us, this highlights the importance of semiconductor manufacturing. Historically, Japan has been known for its expertise in helping enable the manufacturing of semiconductor chips. We believe these new factories provide incremental growth opportunities for Japanese semiconductor equipment companies. Passive investing in semiconductors is focused on the largest U.S. companies. While we believe this gives investors an opportunity to have exposure to the semiconductor industry, it ignores both smaller companies and international companies where we see more and more innovation happening. Active investing allows us to harness those opportunities globally. There are many different types of opportunities within semiconductors. Two specific areas we like to look at include companies with high barriers to entry and companies with unique product cycles. An example of a company with a high barrier to entry would be companies in the foundry space. A foundry is a manufacturing facility used to build chips on behalf of others. These facilities can cost upwards of 3 trillion yen. There are very few companies on Earth that have the capital and the manufacturing know-how to build and run a facility of this size. Regarding companies with unique product cycles, one area of focus is companies exposed to GPUs or graphic processing units. Originally, a graphic processing unit was used by the video game industry to make better graphics processors for video games. That expanded into data centers as it turned out that a GPU was really powerful for analyzing massive data sets. Moving forward, we get excited about the GPU's opportunity within AI, or artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence requires even larger data sets, and the GPU is a key enabler of this technology. First, we have research across all major geographies and across a range of investing styles. This diversity of thought allows us to find ideas more specialized investors might not uncover. Secondly, we also have research across the entire market cap spectrum. This focus allows us to find ideas that are earlier in their growth cycle. Thank you very much for watching my video today. I've been covering the semiconductor industry for more than 25 years, and I'm very excited about the opportunities moving forward. Until we speak again, arigato gozaimashita.